Every luxury leather piece begins with the selection of the finest raw material.
Only the top 1% of hides are chosen for high-end artisanal production.
Precision grading ensures that only skins without blemishes or insect bites move forward.
Preservation is key to maintaining the structural integrity of the fibers.
Once stabilized, the raw hides are prepared for the journey to the tannery. Temperature control prevents bacterial growth during the initial transport phase. The raw skins arrive at the specialized beam house for the first stage of transformation. The journey from raw skin to luxury material begins with deep hydration. Hides are soaked for 24 hours to remove salt and restore natural moisture. Lime is added to remove hair and open the fiber structure for tanning. Specialized machinery removes every trace of hair, leaving a clean, smooth surface. Consistency and thickness begins by stripping away unnecessary organic layers.
Neutralizing the skin is vital before the actual tanning chemistry can begin.
Every hide is inspected at this stage. Only the flawless proceed to the tanning drums. With the preparation complete, the hides are ready to be transformed into durable leather. These semi-processed hides are now ready for the long journey to the luxury finishing plant. Airtight sealing prevents the hides from drying out prematurely during transit.
Each shipment is tracked via GPS to ensure a constant climate for the leather.
Security seals are verified against the manifest before the crates are opened.
Digital tracking ensures that every bag can be traced back to the specific ranch.
Automated logistics reduce human contact, maintaining the purity of the leather grain. Every pallet is staged according to the specific dye requirements of the week's production. Humidity is strictly controlled to keep the hides supple for the next stage.
The first physical contact at the luxury plant is an assessment of the hide's moisture. Scientific verification ensures the pH levels are perfect for luxury-grade dyeing. This facility is designed for precision, cleanliness, and the highest standards of luxury.
Security is paramount to protect the proprietary tanning techniques used inside. A dust-free environment is essential for a flawless finish on the leather surface. Personal protective equipment protects both the worker and the delicate leather. The layout is optimized for a linear flow from raw material to finished product. Every variable is monitored in real time to ensure consistent quality. Regular maintenance prevents any microstutters in the automation process. Transitioning materials between zones is done through controlled airlocks.
Sustainability is a hallmark of high-end luxury manufacturing.
Specialized lighting is required to detect even the smallest color variances. Only the most expensive organic oils are used to treat the $4,000 skins. Safety protocols ensure that the artisans can focus entirely on their craft.
The preparation is complete. Now the true cleaning begins. This final wash ensures the hide is a perfectly clean canvas for the dye.
This final wash ensures the hide is a perfectly clean canvas for the dye.
Automated scrubbing ensures that every square centimeter receives identical treatment. Moisture control at this stage determines how deeply the dyes will eventually penetrate. Even a tiny scar from a barbed wire fence can disqualify a hide from luxury use. Laser mapping allows the factory to plan exactly where each bag part will be cut.
Only the elite-grade hides will be used for the flagship luxury collections.
Precision trimming prepares the hide for the uniform environment of the tanning drums.
Chemistry must be exact. Even a slight pH imbalance can ruin a $1,000 dye job. Uniform thickness is required for the high-precision stitching machines later in the process. Tanning is a science of ratios. Weight determines every drop of oil used.
Stabilizing the temperature prevents the collagen fibers from shrinking. Enzymes break down hard proteins, making the leather soft and supple to the touch. Every impurity must be gone before the color is applied. The raw skin is now a clean slate, ready for its core transformation. These specialized wooden drums are preferred for high-end leather because they maintain a constant temperature.
The transformation is complete. The skin is now officially leather.
Precision pressure ensures that the leather doesn't stretch or distort during drying. This stage defines the final usable area of the hide. Vacuum drying pulls moisture out at low temperatures, preserving the leather's softness. Air drying allows the fibers to relax and find their natural shape. Staking breaks the stiffness caused by the drying process.
The back of the leather must be as clean as the front for unlined luxury bags.
In the world of 4,000 bags, every square inch of this material is worth its weight in gold.
The raw material is now ready to be cut into the components of a luxury bag.
Engineering the perfect bag requires millimeter-accurate blueprints.
The leather is held perfectly still by air pressure to ensure cutting precision. Testing software ensures the maximum yield while avoiding any natural imperfections. Inside manufacturing factory.
Laser cutting provides a sealed, cauterized edge that prevents fraying.
Some components require the brute force of a traditional die cut for structural integrity.
Skiving allows the leather to be folded over without creating a bulky seam.
Eye-end bags use internal structures to ensure they never lose their shape over years of use.
Vite creasing compresses the fibers and creates a classic luxury aesthetic.
Each bag is now a complete puzzle, ready to be assembled by a master craftsman. Thread tension is critical. Too tight and the leather puckers, too loose and the seam fails.
Automation ensures that the edge paint is applied with zero drips or overflows.
Polishing creates the patina that customers expect from premium cowskin. Keeping the bag clean during production is as important as the construction itself.
The final edge ink is applied in up to 5 layers for a smooth, glass-like finish.
Melting the ends ensures the stitch remains locked for the life of the bag.
Luxury hardware must resist corrosion in any climate, from the city to the coast.
High-quality cow skin should never crack, no matter how many times it is flexed.
A true luxury bag has a specific, clean scent of vegetable tannins and premium oils.
The feel of the hardware, the resistance, and the click is engineered for a premium experience.
We ensure the bag looks the same in a boutique as it does on a sunlit street.
The masterpiece is finished and ready for its new home.
The unboxing experience is an integral part of the luxury journey.
Our inventory system tracks every bag's location down to the centimeter.